continue with our discussions about dealing with contractions. Now, contractions refer to the shortened version of words or syllables. So, it was created by removing specific letters or sounds. So, we use English language. So, meaning, as per observation with an informal language using English, you tend to combine two words. So, what is that words usually that use contractions? So, we have two words here, is not, but we sometimes we prefer to use a contraction of these two words. So, you're going to use isn't. Another example, if you have will not, we are going to use constructions the want. So usually the apostrophe replaces the letter. So how do we deal with contractions? So we try to create a contraction map with the implementation using dictionary in Python. So what we have here, so you have the key here, ain't, and when you try to expand, it's equivalent to is not, aren't, and its equivalent expanded words are not, and so on and so forth. So those are with the implementation of a dictionary. So this is a very big, complicated code for expanding construction, but basically you try to submit to use those texts as parameter, then use the contraction map. What happens here for the contractions pattern, it is extracting the different keys in the mapping, and then you have a sub function expand much. Okay, so this portion will return an expanded contraction. Then what happens next is that we try to substitute the match given the text. So, and then replace the apostrophe with the expanded text. So what happens here, we traverse through, we iterate, not traverse, we iterate through our corpus. And then we have here an expanded text. So when we try to establish the algorithm, given the text, you try to expand first your text. So as per observation, was not is already here. So let's try to look at our corpus. So this is the wasn't, and then the dots. So let's try to look at the expanded contraction. So the was not, and then we already have here the that is. So that's how you expand the different contraction. Okay, so after, so basically, when you try to clean, the approach is you try to expand first to make it a formal language, and then you remove the punctuation, and then because of the apostrophe, you remove the punctuation. Maybe that's the time that you can tokenize.